Drink it on a hot summer day. It fizzes in your glass full of ice. And that sound, it's like the start of your favorite melody. Pepsi is more than just a beverage. It's a part of pop culture, nostalgia, energy, and instant refreshment. But have you ever wondered how every bottle is made? How thousands of liters of sweet soda end up on shelves around the world? Today, we'll step beyond the label, inside one of PepsiCo's most advanced factories, where automation, precision, and flavor chemistry work hand in hand. The story of Pepsi begins with water. Not just any water, but water purified to a molecular level. Every day, tens of thousands of liters are delivered to the factory and go through multi-stage filtration. First, mechanical filters. These remove large particles and impurities. Next, activated carbon. It eliminates odors and chlorine taste. Then, reverse osmosis. This is a key stage. Under pressure, water passes through membranes that block 99.9% of contaminants. And finally, ultraviolet treatment. Light-based disinfection kills anything that might affect the drink's purity. The result is perfect water. Odorless, colorless, and chemically stable. It's on this water that the entire taste of Pepsi is built. Next comes the heart of the flavor. In a separate, highly secured area, the syrup concentrate, Pepsi's signature blend, is prepared. The formula is top secret. All we know is that it contains natural caffeine, phosphoric acid, sugar, or sweeteners, flavorings, including vanilla, cinnamon, and citrus oils. Each ingredient is dosed with surgical precision. Any deviation, and the entire batch is discarded. The syrup is mixed in giant tanks with stirrers, filtered, and then delivered into a dosing system. Now it's ready to meet purified water and carbon dioxide. That fizz? It's not just sound, it's part of the flavor experience. And it's created through carefully controlled carbonation. This process takes place in special carbonators. First, the syrup water mix is chilled to 0 to 2 degrees CC. That's crucial for proper CO2 absorption. Then, under around 4 atmospheres of pressure, gas is infused into the liquid. This creates the drink that tickles your tongue and delivers that crisp, refreshing bite. Carbonation levels are tightly regulated. It's a science. Too little gas, and the drink tastes flat. Too much, and the bottle could burst when opened. Now the drink is ready to be bottled. And here comes the magic of speed. On Pepsi's bottling lines, up to 36,000 bottles are filled per hour. That's nearly 10 bottles every second. Automated machines feed in empty containers. Plastic or glass bottles arrive from storage or are molded on-site from preforms. Each bottle is rinsed, disinfected, and passed to a filler. In a split second, the precise amount of soda is poured and a cap is sealed on. Machines check every bottle for seal integrity and fill level. Anything that doesn't meet standards is automatically rejected. After filling comes packaging. Bottles are grouped in 6, 12, or 24 packs, shrink-wrapped, and stacked onto pallets. Then come labels, barcodes, batch numbers, and expiration dates. Ready pallets are automatically routed to the plant's distribution center. Like an Amazon warehouse, every pallet is tracked by coordinates, QR codes, and shipping routes. The plant can ship simultaneously to over 20 destinations: supermarkets, warehouses, wholesalers, and exports. Each Pepsi bottle isn't just a container, it's a feat of engineering designed to preserve taste, fizz, and aroma. Plastic bottles are made from preforms, small pellets. They're heated and blown into molds, forming light, strong, airtight packaging. Even the bottle's color matters. Slightly tinted plastic protects the drink from UV rays, which can break down aromatic compounds. Wall thickness, thread design for caps, and compression levels are all tailored to withstand the pressure of carbon dioxide. At a Pepsi factory, quality control isn't a stage, it's a constant. Every 30 minutes, lab specialists test acidity and sugar levels, carbonation, taste, smell, and color, microbiological purity, and sterility. They also test packaging, cap tightness, bottle sterility, label quality. Some batches go through blind taste tests. Only if the taste meets the gold standard is the batch approved for release. PepsiCo is actively implementing sustainable practices: recyclable packaging, reduced water usage, heat recovery systems, solar panels, and renewable energy. Many facilities now operate with zero wastewater discharge, and plastic bottles are increasingly made with recycled material, rPET. Pepsi is not just soda, it's a global product known by billions. Millions of bottles every day, across hundreds of countries. But behind this simple drink lies an incredible system of technology, precision engineering, flavor chemistry, and logistics. In Part 2, we'll dive deeper into distribution, global variations, flavor lines, and how Pepsi adapts to different markets. Stay tuned, the best is yet to come. Pepsi may be globally recognized by its logo, but the taste, it's finely tuned to local cultures. In Japan, limited editions with yuzu and cucumber. In Mexico, extra sweetness with real cane sugar instead of corn syrup. In Russia, a lighter profile with a tangy edge. In India, spiced and intense. In the US, the classic balance of sweetness and fizz. Every major factory has its own lab for local testing, tastings, and focus groups, all to make Pepsi feel native in every country. Pepsi isn't just one drink, it's an ecosystem of flavors. Pepsi Original, the classic formula since 1898. Pepsi Max, zero sugar, no sugar, full flavor. Pepsi Twist, with lemon essence. Pepsi Mango, cherry, lime, fruity twists for younger audiences. Pepsi Nitro, infused with nitrogen instead of CO2 for a smooth, creamy finish. There are canned versions, bottles in 0.33L, 0.5L, 1L, and 2L formats, and even syrup bags for cafes and soda machines. Each format has its own line and precise filling specs. Every bottle of Pepsi isn't just shipped, it's digitally traceable down to the batch. Each pallet, box, and lot receives a unique digital code. Production details, date, ingredients, personnel, line settings, are sent to a centralized system. This real-time tracking allows live location monitoring for every shipment, quality checks even after products hit the market, immediate recall capabilities if anything goes wrong. It's all part of PepsiCo's global quality control network. Not all Pepsi ends up in stores. Millions of liters are shipped in syrup and gas canisters to restaurants, cinemas, and cafes. Factories also produce concentrates for post-mix machines, those dispensers that pour your Pepsi right in front of you. Here, they also fill mini bottles for hotels, label-free bottles for food service chains, and special edition cans for festivals and collaborations. Pepsi production resembles a high-tech lab. White walls, filtered air, climate control, and sterilization. Facilities are split into zones: raw material intake and storage, syrup production, filling lines, packaging, laboratory testing. Each worker goes through a sanitation protocol, wears special gear, and follows HACCP, ISO, and GMP standards. Water, air, and equipment are regularly tested. Even nozzles are cleaned using ultrasonic waves and ozone. PepsiCo's R&D labs are constantly pushing boundaries, working on new flavors, textures, and packaging. Biodegradable bottles, smart labels with QR and NFC, reduced sugar formulas, new carbonation techniques using nitrogen or hydrogen, flavor capsules that burst on your tongue. They're even exploring personalized drinks, where you select your flavor and a vending machine mixes your custom soda. Pepsi is manufactured in dozens of countries and exported to hundreds more. A batch from France may ship to Africa, another from Turkey to the UAE. Each plant adapts products to local laws, climates, logistics, and culture. Even packaging varies: glass, aluminum, or compact bottles for bikers and commuters. Transport is tightly regulated in refrigerated containers. A brief overheating, the batch is immediately recalled. Despite the automation, Pepsi relies on people: line engineers, beverage technologists, tasters, logistics coordinators, robot operators, environmental and quality control experts. Many have worked with PepsiCo for decades. Their mission isn't just to produce, it's to deliver the Pepsi you love, every day, without fail, without compromise. Pepsi is more than soda. It's a brand that featured Michael Jackson and Beyoncé. It's the drink a teen sips between classes, a business traveler grabs at the airport, and a family enjoys on a picnic. It connects generations. It's backed by scale, technology, precision, and a passion for flavor. Now you know what goes into every Pepsi bottle, a world of systems. From sterile water to the fizzing CO2. From a secret formula to the satisfying pop of the cap. From massive tanks straight into your hand. So next time you crack open a Pepsi and hear that hiss, remember, it's not just a sound, it's the finale of an engineering symphony. Enjoyed this video? Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and tell us in the comments. What's your favorite Pepsi flavor? See you next time inside the world's greatest factories.